Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Travis, and today I'm going to be making some Verde Enchiladas, which are just chicken enchiladas with a green tomato or a tomatillo, which I have cut up with pepper and onion, cilantro, salt and pepper, oregano and cumin. I got some chicken base here, and some lime juice. And I'm going to be roasting all of my vegetables for about 15-20 minutes until they get a nice little char to them. And then I'm going to be putting them in the blender and making our sauce. Okay. Welcome back. My tomatillos, my onion, and my peppers all ready to go into our blender here. We call this a Roboku, just the brand. Here's my cilantro, my seasonings. I got cumin, oregano, salt and pepper, the lime juice, and some chicken stock. Add our cilantro. The stems are okay, so I'm just going to leave them on there. Add it right in there. Our oregano. Salt and pepper blend and cumin. Lime juice. Cup of stuff. Okay, let's give this a blend. Okay, welcome back again. Here's my blended enchilada sauce. It's a nice green color to it. And now I'm going to add it to my pre-shredded chicken that I did a little earlier. Not too much, just enough to give it some flavor. Make sure it's moist. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble our enchiladas. So I get a nice portion of chicken on here. That's probably an entire chicken breast and one tortilla. Just gonna roll it. And I'm just going to do that until this pan is full. It's a little too much. Got to make sure there's some space in between so the sauce can penetrate the tortilla. Okay, I have all of my enchiladas rolled and put into a pan. Now I'm going to top it with more sauce and then top it with some cheese, wrap it in foil, and then put it in the oven. Let me get this cheese out of the way so you can see. You don't want any dry spots on the tortilla or it'll get hard and difficult to chew. Okay. And then for the cheese. Okay, I'm going to get this wrapped and put in the oven, and we'll come back in about 15 minutes. Okay, welcome back. My enchiladas have finished cooking. That's what they look like. Nice melted cheese on top. Oh yeah, I gotta get all that cheese. There we go. And that is a Verde chicken enchilada. And this is available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the bistro and the cafe.